I'm not from Palestine, but here I stand, my eyes telling 1,000 stories about a land of hope, a land of courage, a land where one child is braver than 1,000,000 men. I am not from Palestine, and the world is blind. They won't open their eyes or even take a stand. Can they hear the children's cries? Or the bombs that are raining from the skies? I know they do. But all they do is justify their crimes. I'm not from Palestine, but I bleed, because every Palestinian's wound is mine. I'm not from Palestine, but I understand that what goes around comes around, and that one day the sun will shine, and my hands will touch the sand of a free land called Palestine.